Let's talk about the different frameworks we will be using in this training. We'll primarily study about four frameworks: hybrid framework, data-driven framework, page object model, and Cucumber BDD. These are the four frameworks we will be covering in detail. See, each of them is around 7 hours, 7 hours, 2 hours. Okay, so basically what is data-driven framework? In data-driven framework, we have different test cases, and all the test cases, they read the data from the Excel file and execute. In hybrid framework, the things are little different. In hybrid framework, we have, hold on, we have an Excel file like this. In this Excel file, we have the keywords written. These keywords will execute one by one and perform the application on the app. So the control of the test case is from the Excel file. For example, the first keyword is open app. So this will go and open the application on the mobile phone. The second keyword is click. Click somewhere on some object on the application. Then you have different keywords like verify the order which has been placed, verify order. So in the hybrid framework, we have the keywords which execute and control the flow of the application. Apart from this, you have the reports generated, everything happening, and you also have got the data which is read from the Excel file like this. Okay, so hybrid framework is something, a more advanced form of data driven, which is keyword driven as well as data driven. The keywords in the Excel file, they execute the test case. Even a manual tester who is not having any language of or not having any knowledge of maybe Appium, without opening Eclipse, he can actually change the keywords over here and run the project. Okay. Then we also study about page object model. Over here, page object model framework is something in which we make one Java file for one page in the app. For example, there is a login page, then we will bring up login page.java. But this kind of design or this kind of framework is not also so simple. There are lots of things involved. We will be looking at that. And then we have the BDD. BDD is very famous these days. In BDD, we have a single file in which we can write the flow and the code acts accordingly. For example, I can write in BDD when, given I open browser Chrome. So I'll just be having a simple text file. It's known as a feature file in BDD. In this text file, I will write few lines of English, plain English. Then I go to http yahoo.com. So our code will read these lines and will act accordingly. It looks very fancy, that fine. If I just have to write plain English when I click on news link, something like this. Okay, you just have to write plain English in BDD. Okay, it's known as the Jerkin language, right? You have to just write plain English, and the code, it reads this plain lines and acts accordingly. Okay, but there are lots of technicalities involved. It is not as simple.